Standing out in a noisy financial world. Markets are noisy, fast, and often overwhelming. Prices move quickly, headlines never stop, and opinions come from every direction. In this environment, most people react emotionally and lose focus. But some don't. They stay calm and think clearly and make better decisions even when the market feels chaotic. So what are they doing differently, and how do they stay in control when others don't? What is a noisy financial world? A noisy financial world means being surrounded by constant economic headlines, policy announcements, inflation numbers, growth data, central bank speeches, and even the opinions of public figures. Although this information often appears clear on the surface, in reality it rarely is. This constant stream of signals pushes the mind towards emotional reactions and quick, impulsive decisions rather than careful analysis and deliberate thinking. That's why the way we trade isn't driven only by economic data. More than anything, it's shaped by how the mind processes information and responds emotionally to what it sees. The roots of common mistakes when facing market noise. In environments dominated by market noise, people tend to fall into a few common traps. One of the biggest is information overload. When everything moves in real time and new data keeps coming in nonstop, it becomes increasingly difficult to distinguish what truly matters from what doesn't. Another common issue is confirmation bias, where we naturally focus on information that supports what we already believe and ignore data that contradicts it, even when the evidence is clear. And then there's overconfidence. When we start to feel that we know more than others or understand the market better, our awareness narrows and the likelihood of making costly mistakes increases. Practical exercises to stand out in noisy markets. To get real results in noisy markets, it's important to build some simple and consistent habits. One of the most effective is creating a personal analysis routine where you limit yourself to just 2 or 3 reliable sources each day and commit to following only those. In this context, the quality of information matters far more than the quantity. Another powerful habit is practicing mental calm on a daily basis. Taking just a few deep breaths before making a decision helps separate the mind from external distractions and allows analysis to become clearer. And finally, a regular review is essential. By going back each week and reviewing your performance, you begin to clearly identify where mistakes occur and whether your decisions were driven by emotion or guided by structured framework. The message for you: the market gets noisier every day, but the people who stand out are the ones who stay focused and disciplined. They don't react to everything they see. They take a moment, think clearly, and make better decisions, which is why they're able to act with confidence instead of getting pulled into the noise. If you want a daily psychological, fundamental, and intermarket analysis and want to stay one step ahead, follow XChief on Telegram, where we share short daily audio analysis. You'll find the link right here. And let us know in the comments what affects your focus the most in today's market: constant news, other people's opinions, or your own decisions.